Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to recover deleted files on your Android phone. If you've accidentally deleted photos, videos, documents, or other files, don't worry. There are several ways to recover them, depending on your device and where the files were stored. Let's get started. First, open the Files or File Manager app on your Android phone. Next, look for the Trash, Recycle Bin, or Recently Deleted folder. The name may vary depending on your device. Open the folder and browse through the deleted files to find the one you want to recover. Once you've found the file, tap and hold it, then select Restore or Recover. If you deleted photos or videos, you can also open the Gallery or Google Photos app and check the Trash or Bin folder. Deleted items are usually kept there for a limited time before they're permanently removed. After restoring the file, it will be returned to its original location or a recovery folder, depending on your device. If you can't find the deleted file in the trash, it may have been permanently deleted. In that case, you may need to restore it from a backup if you have one available. That's all. You've successfully learned how to recover deleted files on your Android phone. Happy watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.